Okay, hello, we're going to run through how to apply the Squirt Chain Lube. So this is a wax, it's not like an oil or a grease like you might have used. So one of the best things you have to do with the chain first of all is get rid of all the grease, previous lube, any grit, dirt, get it all so it's nice and clean. Normally it will come back to a nice silvery colour. Clean all your cassette, the chain rings, the jockey wheels, make sure it's all nice and clean. The Squirt Lube, give it a good shake. It's a wax, follow the temperature instructions, don't let it freeze or it changes the wax makeup in the bottle. Give it a good shake, spread it off and apply it on the inside of the chain. Pop it on and just let the chain go around. Make sure you get it on each of the chain links. Follow it all the way around. We'll speed this up, we'll say it's done it. Let it go around a few times and that's it. No need to re-grease it afterwards. It'll dry. It's good for a marathon ride, so you should be able to get 150 to 250k out of it. Wipe the chain off, get rid of any grit or dirt that may have accumulated on there. But the great thing with the chain wax is it doesn't attract grit, dirt and grime the same way the oil or grease based lubricants do. So that's it, Squirt Chain Lube, highly recommended. We just applied the Squirt Chain Wax to the inside of the chain. The important thing with this chain wax is to remember, do not wipe it off. You just apply it inside the chain, turn in the cranks, let it dry, and you're good to go. It says roughly 5 minutes, so yeah, you won't see any grit or dirt with this. It's fantastic stuff. Big measure for us was we noticed the cassette and the chain. We didn't get that black, gloopy, gritty stuff that we were getting with the other normal oil, grease-based lubricants. Anyway, great stuff, and when you read around it, it is biodegradable, so another great thing. Sometimes cyclists, we don't realize our impact on the planet. Anyway, stay fit and well, one and all. Squirt Chain Lube.